Michelle here. I'm going to show you how to install your canopy on your KooperX2 stroller. I've only removed one. So you'll want to take this back area of the canopy and put it between the stationary rib and the handle, like this. Okay. Remember, you have a zipper in here that you want to zip around this stationary canopy rib. And I like to do that first when putting it back on. Sorry, weird angle. There we go. Kind of have to get it up there so it can zip around. All right, there you go. Then you'll want to snap it on, or that snap on the frame. Okay. Then you can insert the ends of the canopy in until they click, and you'll feel it. Not as much as you hear it. There you go. And you have installed your canopy on your KooperX2.